Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen like so to bring down your toggles, and I'm going to swipe down once more, which will give us the power button right here. Click on it, and from the boot options you want to hold power off. As you can see, when you hold it, it changes into safe mode. So now we're just going to confirm that by clicking on it, and this will initiate a reboot, and when the device boots back up, it automatically boots into safe mode. Now, safe mode does look almost identical to normal mode, with a slight difference that any application that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device can start it up. Now, because this is Samsung, it actually extends a little bit further to applications that are installed by the device after the setup. So something that Samsung does is a bunch of applications, like for instance the internet browser, calculator, and some other things, calendars I think, are part of the applications that are installed after the setup, which you can see right here. So we have Notes, Calendar, Gaming Hub, Browser, and basically everything that looks like this, meaning gray, depressing, monochrome, and semi-transparent. So all these applications will not work in this mode, and if you try to open them up, it gives you the pop-up up disabled. So from here you can troubleshoot your device, and once you're done troubleshooting it, you can pull down your toggles once more, like you did before, and click on the power button, and this time around just simply press on the restart option right here. This will reboot the device, and when it boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.